be showing you how to do donuts without putting drift mode on. Let's go. Let's go. And don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Come on, guys. Let's go. Sorry guys, it's just loading a little. Sorry guys. Let's go. Let's show you guys. First, position in reverse or brake, put using backing, and then you got your drift mode, and then you can drift. But if you want smoke, you go to this. You go here, put that mode on. Continue. And for the people that don't know what is drift mode, this is drift mode. So if you want to put on drift mode, first you the easy steps to do drift. And that will be the end of this video, guys. See you next time.